Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Infiniti Q50 rear seats. First, let's tackle the rear seat bottom. You'll find two spring-loaded clips at the front, one on each side. Simply pull the release tabs and lift the front of the cushion. Don't forget to disconnect the Velcro loop holding the center seat belt. Once released, you can easily lift and remove the entire seat bottom from the vehicle. With the seat bottom removed, your next step is to access the seat back's mounting points. You'll need to remove four 14mm nuts. These are typically found along the bottom edge of the seat back. A 14mm socket and a ratchet will be essential for this task. Remember to move any seat belts out of the way to ensure clear access to these fasteners. Once the four nuts are removed, gently pull the bottom of the seat back forward to clear the mounting studs. The top of the seat back is usually held by three brackets or hooks. To detach it, lift the entire seat back upward, allowing it to disengage from these upper hooks. With the seat free, carefully maneuver it out of the vehicle, taking care not to scratch any interior surfaces. To reinstall, begin by aligning the seat back's top hooks into their respective slots. Then, push the bottom of the seat back into place and secure it with the four 14mm nuts. Next, position the seat bottom, ensuring the seat belt buckles are properly routed through their openings. Push down firmly until the two front clips engage, securing the cushion. Finally, double-check all seat belts for proper function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.